Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see a unique and also a best launcher called CMM launcher. So it has a lot of feature. So it will look like this, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the CMM launcher application from the Play Store. It's one of the unique and have a lot of effect and features. You can see the first page, you have the widget of CMM launcher. It have some animation like moon. I have a booster on the front page. Then you have a lot of effects. I just going to show. So just click on this open app drawer. You can see how it's opening effect. You can just click on the three option and you have a different type of effect to change the app drawer style. So there's a lot of different type of effects and style here. So you can see how it's look like, and you click on this here, you can have a shot and hide the applications and app drawer settings, everything here. So you can just access it. And also in long press here, you have a wallpaper and edit mode, and here also have effect setting. So here on the home section or home page, you have a lot of different effect here. So like a 3D effect or like a sliding effect or cube effect. There's a lot of different type of effects out here, and then you can see how it's look like. Actually, I just like this effect, which is so cool. So and then you have a option here for theme store. You can just download any themes from the store to apply for this particular launcher. And also there is a different type of themes and icons, and have a lot of different settings for screen lock, desktop setting and everything. So it's actually looking cool. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.